Hi guys, it's Maria here. Welcome back to my channel. This channel is about bags, lifestyle and fashion, but mostly bags. I post videos every Friday, sometimes Wednesday. I'm always on the hunt for the perfect bag. If you are like me, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, hit notification bell, and let's enjoy bags together. Today I'm going to talk about beautiful Chloe Kiss bag in small size and vibrant, amazing green color, one of the most fashionable colors of this spring summer. I'm going to cover features of the bags, what fits, close-ups, and how I wear this bag, mod shots. Over the past years, Chloe created a mini cult bags, and this is their most recent addition to their beautiful bag collection. Between all the Chloe styles, bag styles, I would say that one is the most minimalist. And as we know, minimalism is very, very in fashion at the moment, and therefore I would say that's one of my favorite Chloe styles too. Kiss bag comes in various sizes and various colors, but my most favorite, this beautiful green color, as I mentioned, is one of the most fashionable colors of this spring summer, and it perfectly suits my summer wardrobe. What we've got in here, as I already mentioned, is quite a very minimalistic style, so we don't have any details much on the actual bag apart from this gold tone top handle, and this top handle actually is meant to outline the female lips giving the kiss, and therefore the bag called Kiss. To be honest with you, until I actually read online that it was meant to be in the shape of the female lips, it didn't resonate with me. However, now when I read that, I actually started seeing that, this beautiful shape of the beautiful lips. And I would say that's the main detail of the actual bag which attracts all attention. When I saw that bag very first time being advertised, I wasn't sure about this top handle because I wasn't sure how it's going to fit your hand and it's going to actually sit there perfectly or not. For whatever reason, I thought it might be very uncomfortable or very heavy. For example, when I saw a Bottega Veneta chain bags, for whatever reason I thought that the chain is going to be really lightweight, but then when I actually tried the bag out, the chain was unbearably heavy. Unbearably for me because I expected to be much lighter. The opposite thing happened here with a Chloe bag because I expected this top handle, which looks quite metal solid, I expected it to be very heavy as well. Handle is hollow inside, and therefore the bag overall is very lightweight. Including the strap, which I'm hiding inside the bag at the moment, the bag only weighed 300 grams. I think it's amazing for the real leather bag. The bag is made of calf leather. It's very delicate, very smooth, and very nice and tactile. But I wouldn't say that it's so easy to scratch. I've been using this bag quite a lot over the past month, and I don't see any new scratches on that or anything like that. And I can't say that I've been very careful or baby this bag. No, I think it's really good for scratches and marks. What else do we have here? We have a magnetic closure here. When I just started wearing this bag, I thought because of this big top handle, it's going to be quite weird and quite inconvenient to open and close the bag when you're on the go and trying to pull anything out of the bag. After wearing this bag for 4 weeks, I would say that it's actually easier than I expected. No, it's not the easiest way and it's not very straightforward. However, as I said, because of the quite a large capacity of the bag, it's quite easy to pull things out of the bag or put it in when on the go. What else do we have here? We have a strap. You know my love for straps, and you even call me a strap lady, not the bag lady. Yes, I am addicted to my straps and straps bags. What we have here, that's the strap. It's adjustable and it's removable. It actually took me 4 weeks to find out that you can remove the strap. And it happens that way, that you just pull those straps on the side and remove the strap from the bag. It's not the very easy way to do that because those straps on the side very stiff and it's pretty hard. It will take you a while to move them out to remove the actual strap out of the bag. I only attempted to do that once and it took me quite a while for this massive operation. Therefore, when I don't fancy the strap on my bag and I don't fancy to wear that way, I just tuck the strap inside the bag. And again, because it has quite a large capacity, bag allows me to do that, and it's all like nicely tucked in, and now I'm using as a top handle bag. As I said, strap is adjustable too. It's not that many adjustable holes on the actual bag. It's only 5 of them, and the length that they adding on or removing the length, not that big. However, it's still nice to have and nice to know that you can move your bag in length shorter or longer, because I'm quite short, only 5'3", 163 centimeters tall. It's quite important for me. Inside the bag, we have only one large pocket on the side of the bag. I will show you that closer when it comes to the close-ups, and that's it. And it's as I say, one big hole there, which allows quite a large capacity for the small size bag. I've already mentioned magnetic closure, which is really easy to operate and you literally don't think about that at all. Signature gold toned top handle, removable and adjustable strap, and that's pretty much it. Very minimalistic style. And for whatever reason, to be honest, on the bag, I think because of the stitching, I expected a pocket, the back pocket as well, but no, there is no pocket. And I think it's time to check if the large capacity, which I've been talking about, is true or not, and we're going to give it a what fit test right now with my combo of essentials. It's time to check what fits in this small size Chloe Kiss bag. We will start with my absolute essential, and it's a phone. I have an iPhone Max Pro size, massive size I would say. Then we will go with a flat card holder. Here we go. Yep. You can see how it's a little bit weird to use those this closure, this magnetic closure there, but it's still, I wouldn't say that it's the most uncomfortable way, and it's easier to do, believe me, when the bag is worn crossbody. Then we go with a lip balm, sunglasses. Everything is easily going there, that's enough capacity in there. Mask, keys go there, a lipstick, and we have that much space there. The bag is easily closed, easily open, and we still have quite a lot of space there for the small bag. I would even say that I can fit there a pair of gloves. Unfortunately, summer in Scotland is so bad that sometimes we need to carry the pair of gloves with us because it's unpredictable, and it could be that unpredictably cold. Overall, I can say that for the small size bag, the capacity is pretty impressive, and I really like the Chloe Kiss bag for that. I would say it's even one of the best for the small bag, one of the best capacity on the market. It's time to talk about mochos and show you how I wear this bag. I'm only 5'3", 163 centimeters tall, and I usually wear a size 10 UK. We will start with my most favorite, most wearable way. It's a cross body. I'm always in a rush, I'm always on the go, and therefore I prefer my hands to be free. Crossbody. You can also wear that on the left or right shoulder. And then you can fully remove adjustable and removable strap from the bag, or like I usually do, because I'm quite struggling with removing a strap of the bag, you can actually tack the strap inside the bag and wear the bag as a top handle bag. Despite the fact that it's actually enough space to wear this bag on the crook of your arm, because of the weirdly non-traditionally shaped top handle, I'm struggling to wear this that way, and in my opinion it doesn't sit nicely. To summarize, I just want to say that I really like this Chloe Kiss bag in small size and a vibrant green colour. I would say it's a very versatile bag, not just in the sense of different ways to wear this bag, but also because you can use that as a day or night casual bag as well. The top handle, attention grabbing, beautiful top handle, is very ergonomic and it surprisingly fits in your hand really well, that you actually forget where you're wearing the bag with quite a weirdly shaped top handle, not the very traditional one. I love that it has adjustable and removable strap. Yes, it's not very easy to remove the strap, as I mentioned before, and it's not that many adjustment holes on the strap as well. It's still a really nice option, and when you wear this bag it sits really nice across body. Green color goes really well with many of my summer outfits, and I'm looking forward to wear this bag a lot this summer, and I genuinely believe that will become one of my most worn bags of this summer. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed doing that for you. If you did, please hit thumbs up, don't forget to subscribe, hit notification bell, and I will see you next time. Bye!